Hi, my name is Giancarlo Polinar, a motivated fresh graduate mechanical engineering student, and I think I am excellent for your position. Let me take a few minutes of your time why my addition to our company is an excellent choice to help you to grow even a greater height. I recognize that you are lacking a plant supervisor, and I suppose that my credential and expertise suit with your requirements. I am also acknowledged for being self-directed and resourceful with the ability to handle challenging situations. I graduated at Malayan Colleges Laguna and have experience related to the equipment for maintenance of your machines. Also, I am well trained in using lathe, grinding, milling machine that is needed for producing new machine for your plant. My education also introduces me in a stress testing machine and a mini power plant, as well as basic measuring devices like thermometer, planimeter, tachometer, pressure gauge, and electronic devices like multimeters and oscilloscopes. I also attended seminar last June 25, 2009 about Microsoft PowerPoint, Word, and Access operation. Aside from my technical skills I acquired in my education, I am also a team player capable of being a leader. I know that my skills and competencies, especially my passion and commitment to work for you, is an important asset that you want in your organization. I would appreciate an interview to discuss the ways in which I could assist you in accomplishing your goals. I will call your office next morning concerning any question you may have and to arrange our meeting. Thank you for your consideration.